Okay, good day sa lahat. Ang ating topic today is Excel if error function. So we have here N1, number is 7, and we have N2, the number is 0. So meron tayo ditong result na cannot be divided by 0. Ang question is, paano natin siya i-remove yung division by 0? So to be able for you to get the quotient of it, so equals, ito, select lang natin yung B3 divided by 0. Okay, so once nag-enter tayo, automatic yan, lalabas itong ganitong error. So para mawala yan, you just press F2 function key, and then type nyo lang dito, after ng equal sign, if error, okay, open parenthesis, and then meron ditong parameter, value, so you have, that would be the value, B3 divided by C3, comma, kapag ka nakakommit siya ng error, so lagay tayo ng message na cannot be divided by 0. Okay? So, para wala yung div 0 error na yan. It's up to you kung ano gusto nyo ilagay na message. Okay? So, ganyan lang po kasimple yung formula. If error, you have the value B3C3 and comma, you have your message. So, yung nasa loob ng double quotation mark na to, that would be your message. Okay? So, you have now cannot be divided by 0. Okay, nawala na yung div slash 0. That's it for today. Thank you and bye-bye.